Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Devendra Sutar, third year of computer engineering student of Zeal College of Engineering and Research Pune. Under the project based learning activity, we have made a project which is called Employee Management System, in which the group members are.
Hello, I am Saurabh Yadav and group members in the following project are.
Hello, I am Omkar Dhanwat.
Hello, I am Devendra Sutar.
Hello, my name is Shushan Srivastav.
And this project was guided by Professor Ashwini Kangne ma'am.
I am Omkar Dhanwat. Me and my teammates have made project on employee management system. An aim of this project is to develop an well-designed database to store employee information. For this, we have used Python programming language and MySQL database. In the 21st century, everything needs to be well organized. So, in any organization, the management of employee data is very important. Maintaining the huge employee data manually is critical. So, using this project, we are able to computerize data easily. It avoids human errors and reduce efforts for maintaining data. So, with this project, we can add, remove, and edit an employee's data easily. Thank you. And the next part of this project will explain my teammate Sushant Srivastava.
Hello, my name is Shushan Srivastav. Our PBL project name is Employee Management System, which we have done by using Python and MySQL. First, we have to connect Python and MySQL, which can be done by using MySQL connector, which we have to install by using pip install MySQL connector code. And after that, we have written the connection code. This is the connection code. After that, we have written the add employee function. The add employee function will ask for the employee ID and uses the check employee function to check whether the employee to be added already exists in a record or not. If employee details do not already exist, then it will ask for details of the employee to be added, like employee name, post of the employee, and salary of the employee. Now, after getting all such details from the user of that system, it simply inserts the information in our employee detail table. This is the code. Now we have written next is the promote employee function. The promote employee function will ask for the employee ID and uses the check employee function to check whether the employee to be promoted exists in a record or not. If employee details exist, then it will ask for the amount by which his salary is to be increased. After getting the valid details, it increases the salary of the employee with the given ID by the given amount. After that, we have written the remove employee function. The remove employee function will simply ask for ID of the employee to be removed, because ID is the primary key in our employee details record, as there can be two employees with the same name but they must have a unique ID. The remove employee function uses the check employee function to check whether the employee to be removed exists in our record or not. If employee details exist, then after getting a valid employee ID, it deletes the record corresponding to that employee ID. This is the code for remove employee function. After that, we have written the check employee function. The check employee function is the important function, as the check employee function takes employee ID as a parameter and checks whether any employee with the given ID exists in employee details record or not. For checking that, it uses cursor.rowCount function, which counts the number of rows that match with the given detail. It is a utility function, as we have seen above. It is used in add employee function and remove employee function, etc. This is the code for check employee function. After that, we have written the display employee function. The display employee function is simply a select query of SQL which fetches all the records stored in the employee details tables and prints them line by line. This is the display employee function code. After that, this is the menu function, which menu function displays the menu to the user and asks the user to enter its choice for performing operation like add employee, remove employee, etc. Now I'm gonna run this code. Into your choice, I'll select first choice, add employee. Then ID I'll add 30. Then employee name I'll add my name. Efficient. So now employee post I'll just type this. Salary I'll add 10,000. Now we can see display it by using the display function, which is choice number 4, and here it's been displayed. Employee 44, employee name Shushan Shrestha, employee 30, employee name Shushan Shrestha, employee post ABC 10,000, and this is I've done the trial that time. Employee ID 45, name Saurabh, ABC 10,000. Done. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.